Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the difference, definition and the example of word pairs or confusing words Premier versus Premier. Premier. The definition of Premier is: first in importance, order, or position, leading. The synonyms of Premier are: leading, top, foremost, earliest. And now let me show the example of Premier word in sentence are: America takes a premier position in consumption of the raw material. The selection of a premier was one of the first weighty questions for solution. My only question would be his tactical acumen in the Premier League. Lord Stevens will lead the Premier League's inquiry into alleged transfer bungs. Now let me define the second word. Premier. The definition of Premier is: the first public performance, as of movie or play. The synonyms of Premier are: opening, beginning, inaugural, performance. And now let me show the example of Premier word in sentence are: California is one of the premier travel destinations in the United States. Of these brands, only Danby and Danby Premier include dehumidifiers. The Premier suite is slightly smaller with one bedroom and one bathroom. Blog Catalog claims to be the web's premier social blog directory. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.